Welcome to Lisa Marvin Art and welcome to the big hurricane relief fundraiser. I don't think I've been in a collab this big ever. There's about 40 amazing artists. We've all come together super quick to get this going to help all those affected by the recent hurricanes. We are not only doing a live auction November 3rd at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time of all the pieces that you've seen in this collab, but Fluid Art Company has made a piggy that they're going to retire after this, so it will never be made again. And it's called Benevolence, and it is gorgeous. So $5 from each jar sold is going to go straight to the charity directrelief.org. I hope I'm saying that right. So 100% of their proceeds go. So not only are they getting the proceeds from the piggies, but everything that is made in the auction will go there as well. This color is called Benevolence. I am obsessed with it. Okay, so I showed you on a dark pillow and a light pillow just so you can see. It's very much phthalo-y blue, so very easy to drip everywhere and to do something fun with. Let's get to work. I'm gonna do it on a 2-foot square and wish me luck. Okay, I have a 2-foot cradled wood board here. Let's talk about colors. I'm gonna do a kind of twist on my holographic bloom where I layer interference paints with black and I added a few things. Let's discuss. So I'm using gold and carbon black. You can use any black, really. I'm using Tri-Art Warm White. I like it because it's a little less stark than like a titanium white. Now, for the interferences, I have TLP Comet. I'm not sure you can see it in this light, but it's like a reddish interference. Then I have TLP Shimmer, which is a turquoise interference. And one of my faves, TLP Velvet, which is the blue interference. And of course, the gorgeous Benevolence. Okay, for my cell activator, it's my favorite gold, which you guys have sold out already. It's Old Holland Royal Gold mixed with Australian Floetrol. My pouring medium is Bear Dynasty, the deep base, with Josania to thin. And my pillow paint I'm going to be using is Sherwin-Williams Tricorn Black. I'm going to be blowing it out with my hairdryer, I think. And the vibe is, or I'm going for, flowy. I can't really control the vibe, but let's just hope for the best. How am I going to layer it? I'm just going to layer the colors in between the black and white and hope for the best as we do. Okay, shall we? Now this isn't a fully full can, so let's see if we're gonna need more. Now I am gonna stretch it out beforehand because I don't wanna have to spin it too much. I think I'll need a little bit more than this, but this is a good start. Okay. I'm just gonna schmooze her out. Okay, I have a pretty even base going on, and I'm just gonna take a little more and put it in the middle so it blows out easier. By the way, I'm just using my regular cake spinner to spin it. It's not always perfect, but hopefully she'll behave today for me. Now, let's start with Comet. Because I want negative space, I want to be careful how much paint I put down. So we'll see. Because I do want a flowy look. Should I go a little bit? Yeah, that should be good, hopefully. Okay. Now I'm going to drizzle the carbon black because it is opaque, so you do want to be careful when you're using opaques because if you don't blow through it, they won't show up. Now, let's go Benevolence. I use a lot of it because she's pretty. Okay. Why don't I take a bit of white? Now the white is also opaque, so we're gonna drizzle. Okay. Now let's go to shimmer. Okay, pretty. Let's go back to the carbon black. Okay, let's go back. No, let's go to velvet. Honestly, velvet's probably my favorite interference after all these years. The blue is so rich. All right, so because I'm using gold cell activator, I have to decide, do I want to top it with white or black? Let's go black. I'm gonna drizzle it again. Okay, this should be enough paint depending on my blow. So let me get my blow dryer ready. This is the Babyless Pro. Good, all right, she's ready. So I'm not gonna go for lots of cells, so I'm gonna put only a little cell activator because I really want the flowy petals. That's my goal, I think. So let's see. I'm gonna put her in the middle. Okay, that should be good. Wish me luck. All right, so the petals didn't come out so far, so I'm hoping it stretches out nicely. I'm seeing the beautiful blues, the interferences. Let's wait for the cells to come back and then we will spin it out. You can kind of see, hopefully, the color. Okay, ready? This is where we spin and pray. Here we go. I'm gonna put the lid of the color to go just under here so she spins down a little bit. Okay, that worked. So let's look at her. The colors are pretty, just the shape needs a little help because she's kind of just a circle. So let's make some petals, just popping some bubbles. Okay, so I'm gonna take off my gloves so I don't drip. So let's see composition wise, how are we looking at her? Maybe she's like that. Okay, and I'm just gonna take my skewer and with my shaky hands, bring it in, that. Okay. let's spin again. All right, let's give it one final spin. Then we'll do the close-up. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there, that was good. I just spilled paint all over the floor. So thank you guys so much for joining. Don't forget, November 3rd at 1 p.m. on Nate Bright's channel is going to be the auction for all of the beautiful pieces that everyone has made. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. Have a good day. Okay, here is the wet result right after spinning. I just wanted to show you to compare, because in a minute, I'm going to show you the finished resin result. But sometimes it's hard to capture everything when it's resined. So I just wanted to show you these amazing colors, the beautiful lacing. I love the flowy petals, exactly what I wanted. Not too many cells, but cute cells. So let's see how she dries. And here is the resined result. She dried perfectly. I think the colors are so vibrant. I love these interference piggies over a black pillow. I think they are just so kind of rich and flowy and amazing. So I resined it, and luckily she dried really great, really smooth. And it is on a cradled wood board. So that's about 1.5 inches, I believe. Around, look at how smooth. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to bid November 3rd on Nate Bright's channel. Let me know what you think. Have a good day. Bye-bye.